Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Google Maps in satellite view. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up the app, click on your profile icon on the top right, and you should see settings near the bottom, so just tap on there. Once you're on here, just scroll down and you should see Start Maps in Satellite View. And this will just let you know it will use more data if you open it up like this as well. So obviously all you'll need to do is just toggle that on. And if you come out of here, you'll see it's already set up in satellite view. And if you go to close it down and then open it up again, it'll just immediately start in satellite view again. So that's how you can turn on Google Maps in satellite view. Thanks for watching.